In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio to Wix. We'll be working inside the Wix editor. And the goal is to get a clean, professional portfolio added to your site so you can showcase your projects in a structured and visually appealing way. Wix makes this pretty simple because it has a built-in app specifically for portfolios. To begin, go to the left side of the Wix editor and click on Add Apps. This is where you can install extra features for your site. In the search bar, type Wix Portfolio, and when it appears, click Add to Site. Give it a few seconds to install. Once it's added, Wix will automatically create a dedicated portfolio page in your site menu, and it will also set up a management area in your dashboard. That saves a lot of time because you don't need to build the portfolio system from scratch. Next, open the Pages and Menu panel and click on your new portfolio page. On the page canvas, hover over the portfolio element and select Manage Projects. This takes you to the area where you'll actually add and organize your work. In the top right corner, click Add Project. Now you can start entering the details for your first portfolio item. Add a clear title and a description that explains the project in a simple, helpful way. You can also include basic project information, such as a date or location, depending on what makes sense for the kind of work you are showcasing. After that, upload your media files, including photos or videos that best represent the project. A useful tip here is to pay attention to the order of your images. Drag your preferred photo into the first position because that image will become the cover image for the project. This is important since it's usually the first visual visitors will notice when browsing your portfolio. Once your projects are added, you can move on to the design. Back in the editor, click on the portfolio element and choose Settings or Design Preset. From there, you can change the overall layout to match the style of your website. For example, you might choose a grid, masonry, or list layout. Each one creates a slightly different browsing experience, so pick the one that best fits your content. You can also customize how overlays, titles, and tags appear when someone hovers over a project. These small visual details can make your portfolio feel more polished and easier to navigate. That's it. Thanks for watching.